Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by verifying permissions. You must be host or account admin to stop auto-recording for meetings. Open the Zoom desktop app and go to your profile, then Settings. Alternatively, sign in to the web portal at Zoom. And choose My Account. Once in Settings, navigate straight to the Recording tab to see current recording rules. Make sure you check whether cloud or local recording is active, since the next steps differ slightly depending on which one is enabled. You now disable the automatic behavior. In the Recording tab, locate Automatic Recording and switch it off. This stops Zoom from starting recording when meetings begin. If cloud recording was separately enabled, go to Account Settings on the web portal and toggle Cloud Recording off to prevent server-side captures. For organizations, make sure to inspect group or account-level recording policies because they override individual settings. Once done, refresh the app or web page to confirm the toggle. Finish by running a quick test meeting to confirm automatic recording no longer starts. Start the meeting as host and watch for the record indicator. If Zoom still auto-records, inspect the specific meeting scheduler settings. Recurring meetings can retain old auto-record flags or verify that an alternate host or approved user doesn't have recording privileges. If problems persist, sign out and back in, clear app cache, or escalate to your account admin to review account-level policies. This usually resolves lingering overrides.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.